All right, we're back. Got a package here. Had a little bit of a hole. You know, I can get my whole arm in there, and like the thing was hanging out. So I don't know if everything's in there or not. So let's go on this adventure together and see if we can figure out exactly what's what. I'm kind of hoping it's all in there, because that would suck. The world's sharpest knife that came over on the Mayflower. Unfortunately, this is not going to be an install video. This is just an unboxing, so everybody calm down. So yeah, if you couldn't read that, that was Super ATV. All right, I see hardware. That's good. There's supposed to be some, I've never seen any packing like that. That's kind of crazy. You ever seen that before?
No.
It's like tubes. Like you go lay on that in the pool. So unless they change the design, this is supposed to have like a, grab a real knife real quick. It's supposed to have like some C-clamps. I think I have to like chop my heat shield. Oh, there they are. Perfect. Yeah, I was worried that was going to be loose. So there's the C channels, which look to be, I guess that's them. There's the hardware. Hopefully that's legit hardware. I don't know that much about Super ATV other than it's supposed to be for an ATV. And it's supposed to be super. Let's see what we got here. Cut the finish. I'm kind of interested in seeing what the finish actually is. Yeah, I was afraid of that. It's not black gloss, it's like black wrinkle, which is kind of like, I mean, I get it, but like, I mean, is there a reason for it? Does anybody know the answer to that? Can anybody answer below if you know why they put black wrinkle on there? Or flat, whatever the fuck this is called. Because I may or may not have gotten the Hitch, and I think the Hitch is gloss. Stay tuned for another video. So that's it. Let's check the welds. They look pretty good. Not a lot of light in here to see anything, but better finish than the roll cage on my Honda is. That's not, I'm not even exaggerating, because that is atrocious. My Honda's got splatter all over it. Think about that. I got Boss Man here inspecting. Let's do this, Boss Man. Carry that very carefully. Try to triple thing. Follow me. We're gonna go to the magical land of make-believe. I feel like I say this too much, but there's my Talon. Keep describing the year, the make, and the model. I don't think I can actually get this thing fully installed the way where it goes because the plastics are on there. That's pretty it. That's pretty close to it right there, actually.
Yeah, well, that's all right. Looks like it's fitting up good too. On the lineup, on the bolt.
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna check that. So, okay, good. The nuts are coming through this way, so when I put the hitch on, the hitch will go first, and then the bumper will go on, then I can shove each bolt through that way.
Yeah.
You aiming me up good? You getting a good shot on that? So yeah, there it is. So that's upgrade number 2. Major upgrade. I got, well, cooler. Does that count? I mean, it's going in there. I got a mirror. Dug that out of the parts bin. Got an oh shit handle. Caution red. Just busted open a new trail in the backyard. Boss Man was helping me. All right. The only other thing, I guess I could maybe, what could I do? Confirm that these are in fact not stainless. I don't think there's a chance. Oh yeah, those are just shitters. It's all just magnet sticks to everything. So, yeah. All right, well, at least my stuff didn't fall out all the way. I don't see any damage on it. It looks pretty good. Seems well built. I guess I can back into the rock pile now. We got that box there. Stay tuned for that one. That's so awesome. I'll give you a sneak on that one. 2 words. Wide spool. So there you go. And then we got another little box there. More stuff coming. But, you know, my channel. One box at a time, kids. All right, there you go. If you want to know what it looked like to unwrap one of these things, that's how it looks. Stay safe.